Okay. Okay, I think everyone is good, right? For as of now. Yes, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So now we're coming to the scripting part, right? Like see, we are completed for our test plan. Like this, all concepts will be. So based on that, we need to gather our non-functional requirements. So after create complete for the this all things, then we need to start from the like script recording and enhancements. So script recording enhancements where we can do in the virtual user generator. So like everyone installation completed, right? Software, anyone any pending? Everyone done?
Yeah.
Yeah, done.
Done.
Okay, okay, then good, good. So I think you guys once installation, we are able to see that these three softwares: virtual is a generator and controller and analysis. And SM2, I shared one more thing, right? Like web
Wow.
tour. Everyone
Tour.
downloaded that one also.
Yeah,
Yes,
done.
Kiran.
Okay, so the web tour, which purpose we can use, I will explain that. Okay, okay, only for just application point of only that web tour. Okay. So already everything I send in the like zip folder. After that, you need to open from the web tour application. This one. I think. So web tour, if you open web tour, we are able to see the start server. So if you open start server, it will be open like this. So why? Because this will be, we need to open means actually the web tour URL is there, right? Actually. So this URL, actually it is a developer from the, actually just practice point of view. They are developer from the, as HP is this tool is developed, this application. So if you not installed this software web tour, so you are unable to get this software. For example, if I close this, right, you can observe, if I close this and go to the, so here now you can open, you are unable to open this. So means you want to, for this application, you want to record using for the our virtual user generator means this is just a sample application. It is a developer for the our testing point of view, just as a practice point of view. The HP is developed. So you need to go to the web tour and there Strawberry will be there. So anyone have web tour software already? Everyone downloaded and installation done.
Yes, Kiran.
Web tour also.
A web tour also.
Everyone?
Yes, Kiran.
Yeah,
Oh,
Kiran.
yeah, then very, very good. Okay. Like, so after that, you need to start server, you can do. Then only you are able to open the our software. Like, this is the sample application we can open. So if you record means you need to definitely, you need to open the start server. Maybe if you are executing also, you want for this application, you can execute also, we need for the start server. But every application will be no need. For example, we know, right, we have the pest store application will be there. So that will be no need. It is open from like this. So no need for the any server. Real time also it will happen like this only, but only for web 2 point of only we need for the server. It's clear, everyone?
Yes, Kiran.
Yeah, now we'll go to the application. Okay, I'm closing. Okay, we'll start from the initial. Okay, now we need to open for the virtual user generator. So everyone is recorded. Simple business application, anyone of business application.
Yes, Kiran.
Yeah, right.
Okay. Yeah, you
Recorded.
did for the all prerequisites, all everything is good, right?
Yes.
So once open the like virtual generator like this, and we need to create new script to add. And here protocols already we explained, right? Depends on the
Yes.
our protocol. We need to select for the which protocol we want. Like it's a web or web services, Blue Client protocol or SAP web or SAP GUI or RTB. So you need to select for the depends on the your application. So maximum all web applications. So SM2 no need don't to think about more. We have the multiple protocols. Each and every protocol I want to know. I'm not tested. Don't think about that. So in my real time, I have total like 8+ years experience. I worked on only for web HTTP HTML and web service protocol only. Because if you know these two, every protocol will be similar only. The difference is that the terminal will be different. So that is why. So very important two protocols. These are the web HTTP HTML and web service protocol. Okay. So now any web application you are testing. So any web application means what kind of web applications we know?
Web 2.
Okay, that is also one. And real-time applications, what do you know? Web applications.
Like Facebook,
Okay,
Amazon, Flipkart,
okay, okay,
Ticket
and
booking, flight ticket,
okay,
user registration,
okay,
login and navigation,
okay.
random flight booking,
sir, you are in mute, sir. Sir, you are in mute, sir. We are unable to hear your voice.
Hello? Yes, hello?
Yeah, sir. Now it is audible.
Yeah. Now it is audible, right? So
Yes, sir.
web applications, nothing but any kind of web application. It is social site, websites like Facebook, Twitter. So these all will be like social websites, and same to the banking applications, any banking application, any insurance application, and as same to the any healthcare application. So now you can think about that in our real time. These all applications we are using, right? Banking we are using, insurance we are using, healthcare applications we are using, and Paytm, Facebook, every application, Amazon, Flipkart, and all application we are using. Means real time maximum application, this application only we are testing. So that is why maximum all we can support from the web HTTP through that protocol. Any web application we can record and we can do for the performance testing point of view. So now we need to give for the script name. Like what is our script name we need to give. So I want to test from the like Pestor application. Assume Pestor application. This is the my application. Already like we know, right, business flow, like launch and login
Login.
and
Click on.
okay, login, and after that, oh, what happened? J2EE1.
Click on.
Login. I think login is expired. So after login is done, right? After that, we are click for the
Click on
any of the pet, and after that we can select for the product and add to cart and proceed to checkout.
Proceed to check.
And these all details from the like payment details, like which credit card we need to use and what is the card number details, expiry date, first name, last name. So all details we need to give and click on continue button. So after that, please confirm information, what are the details you are provided, and continue. So if you provided all details is fine, then click on confirm. See, now you can observe here, thank you for your order has been submitted. So after that, sign up. This is the my business flow. We can record from the using for the our virtual user generator. So that is why I can give you as a Pestor application name. After that, what we are doing? We are order. What we are
Booking.
ordering?
Pet booking.
Okay. Pet booking and underscore we need to give for the today date. What is the date? 06/2023. And this is right our script location. Like where we are saving from the our script. Like my script, it is sharing from the C users document views and scripts. This is the by default. But if you want change means you can go to here, and where you want to save, you need to create for the your own folder also you can create. Like if you want from the some desktop or some C folder, D folder, you can select and click on OK. Then that folder it is saved from the your scripts. Otherwise, if you this is the default folder for everyone. Okay, so after that we need to click on create button. So now we need to start from the like recording. So this is the virtual user generator. We need to start recording. This is the record button. So after record button, we are able to see the like where we want to record the script. So you can observe here, like we have the three sections. User init, action, user end. User init nothing but initial part, like launch login you want record means you can use. Action part nothing but business scenario. So now we are booking for the pet. That is the our business scenario. So you want to record the business scenario, action part you can use. User end part we need to use for the which purpose means we want to like end part, like logout part you want to keep from there means you can use for the user end part. So why we need these three sections means, so for example, you are testing with the 50 users. So when you are executing 50 users is a 1 hour duration. So everything you can keep from the action part. What will happen means not only 50 times, it is a more than 100 or 150 times it is execute for the launch, login and logout also. Those scenarios no need to execute for the number of times because we are executing 50 users means we want to execute only 50 users. 50 times only. But action part, you need to execute for the number of time because that is our business scenario, action part. So that is why we need to give it as a like user init section is a login section and action section business and user end is a logout section you need to keep. That is a good practice. Okay, now I will explain that also how to we can record. Now I am recording from the action part only. And here browser, like which browser, web browser or Windows or remote or anything, which browser you want select. And here is the browsers. So we have the different browsers, right? Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, and Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome. So which browser comfortable for you, you can select that one. And this is the important thing. Okay, for here, which application you are testing? Like you are testing from the some Amazon application, www.amazon, okay, amazon.in. So means which application you are testing, you need to give that URL. So these all things who will provide, your teammates will be provide from the this all details, like what is the URL and what is the username password. Everything they will provide. Based on that, you need to give for that URL here. Now we are testing for the which application? This is the our pest store application. So this application URL you need to copy and paste from here. Okay. After that, you can observe start recording. We have the two settings will be there immediately in delay mode. So when you are recording the script with the some delay mode you want to record means you can select from the in delay mode. But maximum we never go with the delay mode. We are every time will go with the immediate only because no need, right? Our time will be wasted, right? Delay mode you can go means it is a delay happen. So immediately means how you are recording as a manually same thing you can do and everything is recorded in the our script. It's clear? So now finally is recording options also very important. So you need to check from the recording options every time when you are recording the script because once you can record it, so again you want to record. If you done for the any mistake, right? Again you need to record. So that is why before recording the script, you should be check from the proper settings everything like recording options. Okay, go to the first recording. In the recording, we have the HTML based, URL based will be there. Okay, when we can switch from the HTML to URL, like HTML nothing but all user based applications, like it is the pages will be not changing, right? Like it's some JSP pages will be there, Java servlet pages. The pages will be not changing every time, like as a static pages. Then we can switch from the HTML. Maybe it is a dynamic pages. Dynamic pages, nothing but you can assume Facebook also is a dynamic application because every time will be same screen we are able to see. No, right? Every time the ads will be changing. And the same too, you can observe Amazon, Flipkart. So what are these all websites also you can observe. Every time will be same pages will happen or every time it is changed, right? Because they are changing for the offers. They are giving for the different products. They are giving for the different offers. Means every day the pages is changing. If you record HTML base, so you are unable to like script will be not work. So that is why we can switch from the URL mode. For example, now you can observe our Pestor application. So this application, so every day it is same. There is no changes. This kind of applications, we can go with the HTML based script. So here we have the some HTML advanced also will be there. There we need to check from the two things is important. Okay, so because a script contain explicit URL, web URL and web submit data. I want to generate from the in this script. If I recorded this script, I want generate as a web URL and web submit data. So if you select this, what will happen? Web link, nothing but it's images, it will be loaded. So those images functions we no need. We want for the exactly, if you clicking means some URL it is generated. You are submitting the data, like you are entering for the submitting some data to the application. So that function you want generate means we need to give for the web submit data. And non-HTML point of view, you don't want to record non-HTML, you can click for the don't record. Maybe you can record within the current script steps, like what are the current script you want to recording, you need to select from the this. Okay, so for as of now in our settings, you can assume if you went from the any company also, these things is a good for you, like second one and is the first one is good things for you. It's clear. So after that click on OK, and here you can click on script. This settings will be every time will be same only. And going to protocol, you can observe which protocol we are selected. So means which protocol you are selected, that protocol it will display here. If you selected this web HTTP HTML, that is what it is showing here. And after that we have the advanced. So advanced, these settings will be common. Okay, and this is the important thing, mapping and filter. So interview question also, these are very important. What are the recording options? Because if you really worked on load runner, you will be thoroughly know these all things, like in recording, what are the recording modes will be there. Okay, in the mapping and filter, what are the capture levels will be there. So means everything is in your mind. Then only you will know that okay, is a good for the load runner, is a not a fake guy, is a professional guy. So this each and every point also you need to know. Okay, in the recording we have the two modes, HTML mode, URL mode. If you go for the HTML advanced, so we have the like web URL, web submit data and record within the current script step, and same to the, you can observe here, do not record, and non-HTML point of view, we have the different things will be. So each and every point is in your mind. Then only it is good for your, because maybe you went for the office, right? So sometimes what will happen, right? Your previous already colleague is there, right? He will ask for the cross questions, like what are the recording options also. So means before going to them, you need to understand from the like each and every step. So please concentrate each and every point. Why I am again repeating this class means this section is important for the or basic. So just you can record and after do for the scripting announcement, that is fine. So but these steps are very important point for the is the interview point of view and your future point of view also. Not only interview point of view. So you have putting from the some experience, more experience means you need to be as a professional guy. By entering for the script name, by entering for the transaction name. So each and everywhere we need to show as a we are a professional. Okay, so that is the things are very important. Okay, going to the mapping and filter, we can observe three things will be there: socket level data and VNet level data, and socket level and VNet level data. So then we can switch from the socket level VNet level means if you are doing for the any kind of web application, you are recording for the any kind of web application, we need to select from the every time socket level data only. Maybe you are recording for the like Windows based applications. Windows based application, nothing but Citrix application, SAP Geo application, desktop applications. What are the desktop applications will be there? Those you can record means we can select for the VNet level data. And we have one more is there, socket level and VNet level data. So when we can switch from the VNet both also means if you're recording for the some web application, but you are unable to recording some request. So at that time, you can select from these two also, socket and VNet level data. Now we are doing for the web application. That is why we need to select this. And one more thing is important in the mapping and filter options.
Options.
In the options, we have some different type of socket level options will be there. So now you can observe SSL 2x3, SSL 2x6, 2.x, 3.x, 1.0, TLS 1.1, TLS 1.2. So these are all different SSL versions. So which version you want to select? How will we know? Means we need to ask for the dev team. Otherwise, already our team, anyone will be there. So you need to ask them and you need to get that particular TLS 1.0. Because what will happen, right? So when I join from some new company, so like one company to one company I change, and they are given one banking application. Please record they are given. So really I don't know, like by default it will be like this, it will be there. So I try to recording the script. So I'm recording the script, but unable to recording the script. So I change from the like HTML settings and some browser settings, everything I'm setting, I'm doing. And I try with some fiddler also. So there I am able to recording, but here I am unable to recording. So finally, I send for the mail to the particular client. Okay. So I'm recording the script. I am unable to recording the script. I tried with the multiple ways, but unable to find this issue. So then they are given for the answers. So please use TLS 1.0 because our application it will support as a SSL version is TLS 1.0. Then I able to record the script properly. Means this is the, if you are unable to recording means this is the one of the big reason. Scripting challenges, if anyone asks me, so you need to give for this question, this answer. Like I'm trying to recording the script, I given for the proper settings like socket level, VNet level, and I tried all things and I changed from some browser settings, but I unable to recording the script. So finally I asked with our client and they are given from the like advice used for the TLS 1.0. Then I record the script. This is the good scripting challenges if you are giving for the interview. So this is the good scripting challenges you need to give to the interview. Then it's a very good thing. Okay. So now we need to select from the SSL 2x3 for this application. Then if you want to change, means if you change anything, you can click on update. It will change for these details. And after that, if you changes anything is done, you need to click for the OK button. Then only it is the changes will be applicable. Now, this is the prerequisites. Now we need to start recording. So just you can click on start recording. So if you start recording, can click on start recording. What will happen is which browser you are like selected, like which browser I selected, Google Chrome. That browser automatically it will open. And I to one more thing. Which browser you are selected, you can close for the all browsers instances. See, for example, this is the Chrome only, right? I will close this and you have the one more Chrome will be there. You can close this and I think Chrome is all. I close it. Now you can start recording. So once you can click on start recording, automatically the browser will open, like which browser you are selected. Like we are selected for the Google Chrome. And as you can observe here, you have the one pop-up window will open, recording events. Here recording events will be increased from the every time because your script is like running is properly or your recording is going good means you are able to see that the records will be increased. Now you can observe last time we seen for the 6, but it is increasing means it is opening from the your application. And middle of the test suddenly you want to go somewhere or you can wait for some times means you can, we have the page option also will be there. And if you want to stop middle of the test, you can give for the stop also. And here you can observe, I told right, we can record from the where you want, you can select here. User end will be there, action and init also will be there. say browser is open. Now you can observe launch is completed. So if your launch is completed, what is the next step?
Login.
Login. Because already we seen, right? Business flow will be, we know. Next step will be login. So here is the one thing important. Transaction names also important. So you are doing for the login, right? So what you are doing, you need to give for the start transaction, insert start transaction. You can see if you click on this and you can give for the transaction name. Like you can give for the proper also, you can practice like pastor underscore pet booking. You can give for the like this. And here in that, what you are doing, login. For that, which is the this transaction T02, because login launch already done, right? So that is we can give for the latch later. So now click for the sign in. Now we need to give for the username. I think J2W it is working, right? J2W, and after that click for the login button. See, login is done, right? So login is done. Login is completed or not? Yes, right?
Yes.
So we need to end the transaction also.
End the transaction.
Which transaction you are given, you need to end for the this transaction. Pay store, pet booking, login, you need to end. After that, next transaction, what we are clicking for the pet. So we can give for the pet store. So you can give for the proper. Today onwards only when you are recording the script. So you can practice like this only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Pet booking. In that, what we are doing, click on pet.
Pet.
Because someone will be see means easy to understand. Okay, what is the application, what is the scenario, and what is the transaction name, and what is the transaction T02 you are given. Okay, we'll know.